Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tech Chimp. Today I will show you how to fix no Wi-Fi networks found in Windows 11. So let's start. Here you can see that there is no Wi-Fi networks found. Even though my Wi-Fi is working fine, but it is not showing any network here. Let's try with restarting Wi-Fi. Still, it is not able to find Wi-Fi networks. To fix this issue, click on More Wi-Fi Settings. Click on Network and Internet link on left sidebar. Here you have to select last option, which is Advanced Network Settings. Now click on Disable button in front of Wi-Fi option. So Wi-Fi has been disabled. Again, go back to it and enable Wi-Fi. After enabling it, you can see the list of multiple Wi-Fi. So the Wi-Fi network not found issue has been resolved. You can also resolve this issue by doing these steps. I hope this video will help you to fix your network issue. If you like this video, click like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for latest updates.